So up to this point, you had 1 red onion, approximately 4 tablespoons of minced garlic. You sauteed that in a little bit of olive and canola oil. You then took until the onions were glassy. You take 2 packs of ground lean chicken and 2 packs of ground extra lean turkey and saute them until well done. Then take a moment and drain the excess juice and fat, and this is what you should be left with. Now it's time to spice it up. Here's what you're going to need. You take 3 tablespoons of taco seasoning and about 1.5 cups of water. And then I'll show you as we add chili powder, cumin, paprika, chili paste, and of course sriracha. Also, you should have prepared thinly sliced mushrooms, approximately 2 packages, depending on your taste, which will be added at the end. Chili powder. Cumin, paprika, and depending on how hot you like it, about 1.5 teaspoons chili paste, and of course sriracha. Add salt and pepper. Alright. And stir. You'll simmer for about 15 minutes. Throw in your mushrooms, simmer for about another 15 minutes, and there you go. Enjoy.